guys, welcome back to another video of Tiger JCP. Today I will be solving a Rubik's Cube and tutorial how to solve a Rubik's Cube. First, I got 3 Rubik's Cube, but one is it's a mystery. See, if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is the 3 Rubik's Cubes package. Go there. This is a 2 Rubik's Cube, 1 Rubik's Cube. If you get messed up like this, I just solved one. I will make a tutorial how to solve this one. See, did I solve it? Nope. 1 minute, guys. Yeah. Today, tutorial time, baby. Really, I need to take this about 2. Yeah. I will take this apart. Okay, 1, 2. Why is it not working? Huh? I think I need to just snap. Put my head like this. Ow! Okay, guys. Yes, I got them apart. Okay, I got them apart. The third one I have still here in my hand. I got one apart. I just did some things and some that like this. They came apart. I was just joking, guys. That was my editing skills. Okay, this is the things. This is the middle part. It's the corner piece, yellow. This is the corner piece. This is the middle piece. I separate them all. I will tell you how. Chimpalompa. Do you think I'm gonna do that again? Yeah, maybe. Huh? Why is it not working? You didn't subscribe, right? Subscribe the video, like the video, and post the. Yeah, boy, I really don't know how to talk, guys. For that, leave a comment down below and subscribe the video. And post on the notification button. You will get notified when I post a new video, guys. Let's get into the solving. This is not solving, guys. I'm doing this again because I just put lubricate. Lubricate? Yes, lubricate for the cubes. That's what I removed this part. I put some little. If you don't have lubricate. Not duplicate. If you don't have lubricate, you can put some Vaselines. Yes, I put some Vaselines. Now let's get into the solving part. It can be fun for you, but not for me, guys. It's gonna be a long day. Okay, I just put one spinning area. Whee! I'm like the unshaking master. Whoop! Okay, guys, stop messing around. Let's get into the solving. Okay, now Simpalompa. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that is a Spanish song. I don't know Spanish, guys. I just searched in YouTube Spanish song. There was a song called Simpalompa. Okay, now where's the whites? Oh, here. Simple. Okay, I solved it. Haha, I tricked you. Nope, you come here, boy. Did I mess this up? Yes, didn't I? First, do like this, guys. First, put the half part and put this middle things. Build by half. Where's the orange? When I build the half thing, I will take my camera again. Huh? Why is it not working? Ow! Rubik's Cube solving update, guys. I just finished the down part. I have to finish the up part and middle part. Back to work again. Updates again. Yes, I finished one. This is my didn't break apart. This one. This is I didn't break this. Mine. This is now only I solved this one. This is my another one. I have to break this apart and solve this. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Go there. Oh my God! Look at that, guys. It almost fell down. 1 minute. Your Rubik's Cube. Come back here, boy. Oh, it's back. Whee! Let's play with them. First, again. Oh my God. I want to throw this apart, guys. I will show you. See, guys. See. Did you think I'm gonna really do that to my boy Rubik's Cube? Maybe or not. 1, 2. Why is it not working, guys? Hey guys, I just break them apart. Now I'll separate them. Like and subscribe this video, guys. 1, 2. Yes, guys, finish displaying things. Okay. Back to the our real Najid. Like, subscribe. I said like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe this video. Whoa. Where did you guys come from? I was waiting for you guys. Nah.
That was my future magic.
Okay, let's go, guys. Did somebody talk? I don't know. I told you guys how to solve this Rubik's Cube in a previous video. Get the middle part. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Okay, green thing. Oh, your boys is back. Okay. The green thing. Little duty of do I really do that? Little work off camera, guys. Okay, guys, I just solved the Rubik's Cube. Or not solve the Rubik's Cube, guys. I break it apart and put it together. Now I have 3 Rubik's Cubes. Okay. Now I will get into the tutorial. I will only need one. What should I get? I'll get this one. I like this better. Okay, now go there, boys. Okay, now the first thing you have to do. Again, guys, put this up. This is the first thing. See? Okay. Now I just put up this. Okay. Now you have to get down, or you have to do any side. Put like this. Again, like this. Like this. You can do like this also. First I'll tell you this method. Like this. Okay, now like this. 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 1 minute, guys. Back to off camera work again. Okay, again, finished. So you should think I'm lying because promise I didn't take this apart, guys. Okay, now this is my first thing with the fast. When I do fast, it will look like this. I mean, guys, if I do fastly, it will look like this, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1 minute. Okay, ready? Ready, 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 yay! Okay, now this is the secret, guys. I have. You should have to do like this. Up, again, up, again. That's two method, guys. This is the first method. Up again, up again, up again. Do it little bit more time. You can get it. Finish. The second method is, this is what the magician use like this. Again like this. They solve the like this. I just did the like this only. They will solve from back. They solve from back, guys. Okay, now this is the full method. Okay. Okay. Finish. Oh, sorry. Finish. See, this is the secret. Part 1, guys. This is part 1. This is what the magician use, guys. They use like this. Then after that, they'll do something like the stupid stuffs, and they'll use. Okay. Do this a little bit more time. Okay. When I get like this colors, do it that stuff back again. Okay, let's do that. See. Okay. Saga tiger. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Little bit of cam work. Hey guys, how your day been? My day has been literally solving Rubik's Cube, guys. Hey guys, 1 minute. What is going on? Okay guys. Okay, now. Oh. Now I know if you do like this, like my one. Shit. A little bit more time. Finish. Yay! Back. Like and subscribe this video, and I will post another video. Peace out. Your boy out.